So if you're like a lot of executives, you're interested in career success, and I have a matrix I've developed for you that I think will help you understand how to move into a better place for your career. My name, by the way, is Jamie Turner. These are the Unspoken Rules of Leadership. I go around the globe talking about leadership tips, tools, and techniques that people like you can use in order to improve their careers and their lives. Let's talk about the matrix. Here's basically what it is. We all live in a world where we think about how can we accomplish the things that we want to. We start out by thinking that drive is actually what the best thing to focus on is. If I have drive and perseverance, and I'm going to reach and accomplish the things that I want to accomplish. When in reality, we find that people who are truly successful get into a state of flow. Flow is where things come naturally, they happen naturally, and you almost feel as though the universe is conspiring to make your life work for you. Sometimes musicians or athletes get in a state of flow when they're really firing on all cylinders, and that's something that we can use as people who are interested in having a good career as well. We also understand that sometimes when we work in a state of love and service, that can actually benefit us and the person that we're working with. The counter to that is working in a state of fear. Most people start out in the bottom left-hand side of this quadrant where they're working in a driven capacity that's based in fear. I'm going to encourage you to move up to the upper right side of this quadrant where you're working in a state of love or service to others, and that will also generate a state of flow for you. This is an interesting concept because it's counter to what people tell you a lot when they talk about how to succeed in business. My name is Jamie Turner. I hope that was helpful to you. If you like what you saw here today, download the free ebook that comes with this, or click here and you'll be able to see another video that was selected just for you.